This video made possible by Buy Mobile. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the screen brightness on an Oppo Reno. So pretty straightforward, very similar to most Android phones. Look for the Settings app, which should appear perhaps on your home screen like this. If it's not there, scroll around and you maybe will find it. But it's basically a gear. You can also type in Settings and it should pop up. And just touch that. And now you want to look for Display and Brightness. So obviously pretty clear, looks like a brightness adjuster. And then there's basically this slider here. And if you get too high, it actually will tell you high power consumption. So it's better to put it at maybe like 90% or 80%, and it switches back so it doesn't show up as red. So that'll save your battery a little bit. But if you're outside or you're doing some like VR or something, you might need to crank it up. You can also turn on and off auto brightness. So this will adjust the power usage. You know, if you're in a dark room, it won't be super bright. And likewise, if you're out in the sun, it will have to crank it up so that it's still readable. And also, if you want to do the auto screen lock, etc., you can adjust all those things here. You can change the color temperature and night shield so that sort of doesn't affect your eyes at night. So that's the basics. One other sort of shortcut, you can also pull down from the top and then you can see brightness here. So that's actually cool because then in this case, the screen, the sort of setup screen disappears and you can see the display on whatever you were looking at before, and you can see kind of in real world how does that look. So let's just set it back here. And that's basically it. And I think this should turn off and on auto as well. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you guys next time here on Howtechs. Definitely check out other videos for the Oppo Reno and many other popular phones. Okay, bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. If you guys can see that. There's also